Sprouting is a practice that has gained popularity among health enthusiasts in recent years. Sprouted grains and legumes are claimed to be higher in nutrients and more easily digestible than unsprouted varieties. Sprouting, also known as germination, is a common practice used to improve the digestibility and nutritional value of seeds, grains, nuts, or legumes. It involves soaking the food for up to 24 hours and then draining and rinsing repeatedly over several days. The process of sprouting is said to increase the concentration of several nutrients, decrease anti-nutrient content, and provide many other health benefits. 1. Improved nutrient content and digestibility compared to whole grains. Whole grains and legumes are typically higher in fiber, B vitamins, and important minerals including iron, zinc, and magnesium. They also contain a good amount of protein, which is essential for growth, development, immune function, and overall health. Studies indicate that sprouting may increase the nutrient content of grains and legumes even more. In fact, sprouting has been shown to enhance the amino acid profile of foods, increase their protein concentration, and improve the quality and availability of vitamins and minerals. For example, one study found that sprouting cowpeas resulted in 4 to 38 times more vitamin C and 19 to 12% more protein. The digestibility of the protein in cowpeas was also improved by up to 20%. 2. May aid weight loss by keeping you full longer and reducing cravings. If you're trying to lose a few extra pounds, you may want to consider adding sprouted grains and legumes to your diet. They're high in fiber, which moves slowly through your body. This keeps you feeling full longer, curbs cravings, and increases weight loss. They also contain a good amount of protein, which can reduce appetite and overall calorie intake. What's more, several studies have found that higher intakes of whole grains and legumes could be linked to greater weight loss. 3. May protect heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. Thanks to their excellent nutrient profile, consuming sprouted grains and legumes may be good for your heart. In fact, one study following 9,632 adults over 19 years found that those who ate legumes at least 4 times per week had a 22% lower risk of coronary heart disease compared to those who ate them less than once per week. Eating more whole grains and legumes has also been linked to lower cholesterol levels, one of the key risk factors for heart disease. 4. Fiber content may support blood sugar control. Sprouted legumes and whole grains are packed with fiber, which may benefit blood sugar control. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, which prevents spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Research has also found a connection between the consumption of sprouted legumes and whole grains and improved blood sugar control. According to one small study in 11 people with impaired blood sugar control, consuming sprouted brown rice for 6 weeks significantly reduced blood sugar levels compared to white rice.